So you want to use an AI post generator and do it quickly in 30 seconds? We got you. Follow me and I'll show you how to do that in less than 30 seconds. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Okay, to use FlyPosts, all you have to do is click Start a Post. When you come inside of Start a Post, you'll see FlyPosts AI automatically inject right here into your status post. With that in mind, let's write a thought leadership post. Inside of here, all you have to do is insert a topic. Once you insert a topic, let the magic fly. Let's see what happens. Now here you can see the AI is actually writing. Now your next step inside of this process is simply you must read the post to make sure it matches contextual relevance and that it's accurate. You also want to make sure that you're bringing in things like hashtags and emojis where appropriate. And furthermore, removing any signs of AI. For example, a star right here that you see there or there, you want to delete those things because that's a true telltale sign that AI was leveraged. Once you're done, make sure you tag your company and tag other individuals and simply hit post. That's how you use FlyPosts AI in less than 30 seconds.